Hi, good day. This is just to keep it really simple that Asana is planning and management tool where we can focus on team management and our tasks. So first thing we're gonna do is to sign it up with the business email, and once you're signed up, here is your dashboard. So I'm now going to give you an overview for the dashboard. So here are the projects that you guys can manage, like if you are doing the multiple projects, so you can have the multiple projects over here. You can start the new project over here and add it as per your choice. So once you have added the project of your choice, name them, and then you have the teams over here, so you can have the team management accordingly. So Asana is basically the planning of the tasks. It's very helpful when you are managing multiple businesses or multiple projects, and you have many other subtasks or many other tasks for that particular subject or that project. So here I'm going to let you know that how to create a task and add a title. So first thing you're gonna do is to click over here and add a task of your choice. So let's suppose I add a task over here, for example, Apple Store. So this is the task that is created over here. I can see, and it's assigned to me automatically since I'm the owner of this dashboard. So if I want to put a due date over here, I can set a reminder for the due date. So it will pop up on my task. I'm going to show you later on. And it will gonna pop up on my task since it's assigned to me for today. And to get other notified for this particular task that I'm creating over here, I can add the collaborators over here. I can add their emails, whatever. So whenever you will add a task, or whenever you will add anything under that particular task, so that will pop up on your other friends or colleagues dashboard as well. So now I have created a task, as you can see. Now I can add a subtask over here. Let's suppose I will say iPhone 12, then I can add another one that says iPhone 13, and blah blah blah. So these are the subtasks under a main task, and now I can also add myself or assign this task to a particular person for the due date, so that particular person can take a look at the task whenever there will be a due date of it. And if I want to delete it, I can come over here and delete that task, and I can delete it permanently whenever I want to do. So this is how we can manage the task or create the task, and here we can pop them up as per your choice for whatever is your priority and whatever is your latest update. You can put it over here. So you can see there are the due dates for my tasks. Those are scheduled for tomorrow. So if I can see, here is a task that is assigned with a particular subject, say send email. So once I'll send the email, I'll write a comment over here of my choice and then comment the other person. So whatever is my collaborator can see the task or see what I am doing under that particular task and what I did in that. Vice versa, I can add the subtask. For instance, I have to send 3 emails to one person. So I can put it as first email, second email, third email as my subtask 1. Similarly, I can add other tasks and then assign them first. For instance, I have to create a task and assign one task to one person, second task to second person, and third task to third. But the main task will gonna be send email. So this is how we can manage the task over the Asana.